The main cause of construction accidents is that someone was negligent. And by that, I mean they were careless. And as a result, our client is very seriously injured. So if it's a construction site and a plumber drops a pipe from the third floor and it hits our client on the first floor, that can cause devastating injuries. And it's our job to be able to document that and prove that. It's also our job to find out what entities are responsible. It may not just be the plumber, as in my hypothetical. There could be the general contractor. It could also be independent contractors. There's a great deal of investigation that has to be done because in construction accidents, oftentimes the injuries are very serious. The types of injuries that we see in construction accidents consist of fractures, consist of lacerations that result in scarring, and also consist in the kind of injuries that you can't see. A neck injury, a back injury, shoulder injury. If you have a neck injury and you have a herniated disc, that could be a very debilitating injury. And it's our job to be able to document that medically. The types of damages that are available to those injured on a construction site would consist of their lost wages. It would also consist of the medical expenses that they have incurred. Unreimbursed medical expenses consist of pain and suffering that they had to endure, as well as the loss of enjoyment of their life. What is it that brought joy to their life that they were deprived of during that recovery from the injuries that they suffered? The experience that my office has with construction accidents goes back 35 years. We've had many clients that were injured on construction sites, and we have represented them in the most aggressive manner possible, and as a result, we have achieved outstanding results on their behalf. Clients hire my firm for a variety of reasons. The first one I would say is goodwill, and by that I mean we have represented so many people over the 35 years that I have been practicing, and those past clients reach out to people that they know who were injured, whether it be their neighbor, their coworker, a family member, and they recommend those people to us. That's one way. The other way is with our website. We have a lot of 5-star reviews, and whenever anybody reviews my website and they see those reviews, they realize that this is a really good firm, and that we are. I would say that our current clients and past clients would say of our firm is that we are very expert in terms of what we do. You know, there are those who are a jack of all trades but a master of none. We focus in on the personal injury world, and as a result, we're very knowledgeable in that area. But we also care about our clients, and that really shines through. Our firm strongly believes that communication with our clients is paramount. If a client calls our firm, we have a strict rule. You must get back to that client that day. Do not leave at the end of the day until such time as you do, and speak to that client about whatever concern or problem that they have. And then if necessary, speak with others in the firm, whether it be with me or any of the other lawyers that work for the firm, to find out the best way to resolve the problem or the concern or the question that the client has. The law office of Thomas Lavin is a medium-sized firm. We have about 25 staff members. There are 3 lawyers that work for me. And the good thing about that is we are a close-knit group. It's almost like a family environment. I have a lawyer who's been working with me for over 25 years. And the fact that we are so close as a group really shines through, and the clients feel that. And it's special. It gives them a warm feeling about what it is we are doing for them. What a client can expect from our office after the initial consultation as it relates to construction accidents is that we're going to tell you the truth. We're going to tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly. We're going to address liability, which by that I mean fault. We're going to point the finger at those entities we feel are potentially responsible. We're going to look at the injury aspect of your case, and we're going to make sure that you get the proper medical workup to prove and document all of your injuries. And then we are going to give you a good sense as to what the monetary recovery could be.